So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start your own AI agency and land your very first paying client. This is going to be an in-depth tutorial showing you everything you need to get started, from the best clients to target, to the best service to sell, to a live recording of me actually reaching out to clients, service delivery, and more. I'm also going to be giving away over $1,000 worth of online courses during this video. All you have to do is stick around as I walk you through this tutorial to see how you can claim your bonus. Let's get started. So I personally have experience running two different agencies: a web design agency where I built websites for clients, a content agency where I created content for clients. Within my web design agency, I mostly worked with e-commerce brands. For the content agency, I worked with online coaches and some e-commerce brands as well. So here are the best clients you can target with your AI agency. And after I go through this list, we'll dive into the best service you can sell to them. And of course, I'll show you how I reach out to potential clients and deliver the service, all in live action. Number one is digital agencies. There are hundreds of thousands of active agencies, and all of them are potential clients. The best part about this client type is that they already understand the value of paying for online service. Since they run an agency themselves, they're more likely to work with another agency. Number two is solopreneurs, coaches, and consultants. These people already operate online and understand the power of digital marketing. They already make money online, so it's easy to create additional income for them and clearly demonstrate the value of your service. So what is the service we're going to be selling? Well, we're going to be selling landing pages, the thing that makes businesses the most money. If you don't know what the landing page is, you're seeing one right now. You probably interacted with one before. The best part is you can build and sell these landing pages to businesses and get paid anywhere from $300 to $2,000. But we're not building them the old way, taking days or weeks. Instead, we're going to use a no-code funnel builder to create a high-converting landing page in under an hour. To build these sleek landing pages, we're going to use a software called Perspective. What I like about the software is that it comes with a pre-built landing page templates optimized from millions of dollars in ad spend. This means you get an ultra high-converting landing page without guessing what works. You can just plug in your client's info, deliver it, and get paid. And Perspective landing pages load insanely fast, unlike other builders that take 3 to 5 seconds. In a minute, I'll show you how I reach out to client and build a landing page for him live, start to finish. But before I show you the next steps, I have something special for you. I decided to give away my high-tier program, Creator World Full Bundle. You'll get 100 plus lessons, bonus courses, and direct support from me. This program shows you step-by-step how I built 500,000 follower personal brand. It also shows you how I generated over $500,000 with it. And it will help you build your own brand, which also supports your agency. To get access to all of this, sign up for Perspective using the first link in this video description, build your first funnel or landing page, and send me a screenshot to the email you see on the screen. Within 24 hours, I'll give you access to the Creator World Full Bundle. Plus, using the link in the description, you can use Perspective absolutely free for 30 days instead of usual 14-day trial. That means you can land your first client, build a landing page, and get paid, so there's no risk on your end. I'll be waiting for your screenshot of the funnel you built using Perspective. Now, let me show you how to find clients. All right, let's start by logging into Perspective and exploring the wide variety of pre-built funnel templates. They have options that could be used for any industry, from appointment funnels and VSL funnels to strategy calls, recruiting funnels, solar leads, live webinars, property sales, and property valuation. I mean, the list just goes on. All these funnels are optimized for desktop and mobile, include quizzes, a funnel sharing feature to quickly collaborate with clients, and a simple drag and drop builder. You can pick a template and create a fully functional funnel for a client offer in under an hour. You can even automatically change the language to German in case you're building a funnel for the German market. Each funnel is tested with paid traffic and designed to convert, saving you time while giving you professional looking results without starting from scratch. You can also try Perspective with a completely free 30-day trial by clicking the first link in the video description. Build your first funnel. It literally does take under an hour, and send me a screenshot. I'll give you full access to Creator World Bundle for free. Now, as I go through these templates, I'm thinking of targeting content creators / coaches with the lead magnet funnel. Here's why. Content creators and online coaches are great at producing content, building their audience, and marketing, but they often don't understand the backend or how to effectively monetize their attention. They also rely too heavily on social media to make sales, often forgetting to build an email list, their most valuable asset. Now, if we click see details for the lead magnet funnel, you can see how optimized it already is. It comes with 4 pre-built pages, is GDPR ready, responsive on all devices, and takes just 4 minutes to set up. Here we can see how it looks, including simple quiz and other features. I'm going to go ahead and start with this template. All right, now I need to find a potential client for this service. So what I did is I went on Instagram and typed mobility in search. I found someone with a lot of followers, clicked on this button, and Instagram suggested similar pages. I went down the rabbit hole and found this guy, a great fit for the lead magnet funnel. He doesn't have a lead magnet yet, but he already sells a service successfully. I can easily find his email and reach out and provide a growth strategy he can use in Instagram posts and stories to grow his email list even faster, combined with the funnel I will build for him. So that's a perfect fit. The first step is to build him a lead magnet. Let's go back to perspective and start with this template. Here's how the landing page will look on mobile. Next, we need a strong lead magnet idea and adjust the text. He's in calisthenics niche, so a great lead magnet for him will be a quick guide on how to learn a muscle up in the next 30 days. It's a skill that many of his followers definitely want to learn, so it should strongly resonate with his audience. And here's where we're going to use AI. Let's go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt, the one that you see on the screen right now. Let's click enter, and just like that, we have our lead magnet idea with headlines and subheadlines ready. All we need to do is copy and paste the text into our perspective template and update some images. Now, I should mention that for this creator, there are dozens of different lead magnets you could create. Ultimately, you want to analyze what his audience wants the most from him. For example, you could create a lead magnet on how to lose weight with calisthenics, or how to learn a handstand in a few weeks while training at home, and so on. Personally, I prefer the how to do muscle up lead magnet because many people struggle with it. Since he's in calisthenics niche, the majority of his audience would love to master that skill, as I said before. Let's start with the headline, then add a subheadline and update the call to action. I'm also going to change a background color to dark, remove certain parts to make it look more minimalistic. And what I'm gonna do right now, I'll quickly update everything else, headlines, texts, and images, and then show you the final result. With a few changed headlines and images, the lead magnet is ready. I kept the landing page minimal because ultimately the most important part is the promise in the headline and the marketing he will do on Instagram. All we need is to drive traffic to this lead magnet and make it convert. Especially since it's a free guide, you don't need to overload it with testimonials and extras. The goal is to create something minimal and effective so we can send this in a proposal email to our potential client and attract his interest. All that's left is to hit publish, and you'll get a link you can share with the potential client. Now let's click preview and take a look at the funnel. Here's how it looks on mobile, and here's how it looks on desktop. I've used a ton of different funnel building software in the past, and I can truly say this entire process took me less than 30 minutes. The speed and simplicity of Perspective is unmatched. I even recently used Perspective to build a funnel from a live workshop, and it turned out amazing while being incredibly fast to build. There's a reason why Perspective is already trusted and used by over 6,000 businesses worldwide. It gets the job done. It makes your offer look professional and saves you time with ready-to-use templates. All right, it's time to reach out to potential client and send the lead magnet that we just built. Here's the exact email template I'm going to send. Subject line, I will grow your email list to 10,000. And here's the body I'm going to use. By the way, you can use this format when sending an outreach to any other niche. Just tweak it for your niche and for the prospect you're reaching out to, okay? I actually like to start all the emails with a pain point, something that they're missing out on, and then quickly explain how our service is gonna help them. And then, of course, giving them an already built lead magnet. That way we're gonna differentiate ourselves from all other people that are reaching out to him, just offering their services. We're giving some sort of value upfront. And as you can see from the email, I'm not only offering a landing page, I'm providing a full growth strategy he can implement immediately, including story scripts and reels to drive traffic and grow his email list. So now after sending this email, all I need to do is just wait for his response. If he's interested in moving forward the service, I would simply charge him for the landing page. Then I'll set it up and send it along with the growth strategy, including the exact stories and reels that he can post to drive traffic to the lead magnet and start growing his list. By the way, all of this is included in the Lead Magnet OS module inside Creator World, which you get when you build your first funnel with Perspective. The beauty of this service is that you can literally duplicate this funnel in Perspective and together with ChatGPT, change the headlines and images to send a new template to another potential client. I would personally send 5 of these per day, and honestly, I don't see how you wouldn't land a client in the next 2 to 4 weeks. After you land first few clients and build funnels for them, I would personally create your own agency funnel in Perspective as well. You can then showcase the funnels you created for your clients in your portfolio, which will help you land even more clients. The best part is that this service has a large market. You can target realtors, coaches, other agencies, and most service-based businesses. My advice, focus on someone who already has a product or service they actively selling. All right, now that we know how to find clients, reach out to them, and deliver the service, let's talk about pricing and how much you can charge for this. The best part about this model is that you're not tied to monthly retainer. Sure, some people swear by retainers, but from my experience running a content agency, they can be a headache. I've done both, one-off and recurring, and I personally prefer the one-off approach. With Perspective, you can create landing pages and funnels quickly, and because it comes with a proven high converting templates, you can build once and sell multiple times. That's why a single funnel can easily be worth between $300 to $2,000, and it only takes about an hour to deliver. If you're just starting out and haven't landed a single client yet, start with $300 per landing page. Your goal is to get that first client, deliver great result, and use it in your portfolio, so you can charge more later. Some clients may want a quiz funnel, while others may prefer a simple lead magnet funnel. Once you build a portfolio of different landing page templates in Perspective, you can just plug in your client's info using ChatGPT to streamline your work like I showed you earlier. This means you can build a funnel once and sell it multiple times by only changing some details about your client. You get the work done, get paid, and move on to finding new clients. And over time, you can handle someone to handle your client outreach, letting you focus only on service delivery. So here's why selling landing pages is such a winning service. First off, no retainers. It's a one-off service. You deliver the funnel, get paid, and move on. Simple. Second, it's super easy to build using AI and Perspective. With their pre-built, proven templates, you don't have to guess what works. Everything is already optimized for millions in ad spend. The potential client market is huge. Agencies, solopreneurs, coaches, e-commerce brands, everyone needs landing pages. And the beauty is you can build it once and sell it multiple times. AI helps you scale this process, so one template can be adapted for dozens of clients effortlessly. Landing pages are the lifeblood of a business. They'll always be needed no matter what, which means your service will always be in demand. Compare this to web design agencies. They charge thousands and take weeks to deliver the service. You can undercut them and deliver faster, giving you a huge advantage. Perspective even gives you a completely free 30-day trial with a done-for-you funnels. That means there's literally no risk for you to start today. Alright, so here's exactly what you need to do to get started. Step 1. Register on Perspective with a 30-day free trial using the first link in the video description. This will let you build a high-converting landing page for yourself and for your potential clients. Step 2. Build your first funnel using Perspective. Use their pre-built conversion-optimized templates so you don't have to guess what works. Don't forget to send me a screenshot of your first funnel or landing page to the email on the screen to claim access to my high-tier program Creator World. Step 3. Reach out to potential clients, send them the funnel you built for them, and show them the value you're delivering. Step 4. Set your pricing. Start simple, $300 per landing page if you're just getting started, and scale as you build your portfolio. Most importantly, take action today. In this video, I've shown you everything step by step, and if you follow this plan, I don't see how you're not gonna get at least one client in the next 2 to 4 weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.